Are you a YouTube content creator struggling with finding the right hashtags, writing catchy titles, or crafting an SEO-friendly description? Then stay right here. This video is just for you. Welcome to my channel, your daily dose of powerful AI tools. Today, we're diving into an amazing tool called TunePocket Tag Tool, an AI assistant that helps you rank better on YouTube by generating top-performing tags, titles, and more. Here's how it works. Go to Google and type TunePocket Tag. Then, click the first link that pops up. Once the site loads, you'll see this interface. Now watch this. I'll copy a random video title from YouTube and let the tool generate tags based on it. Processing. And boom, here you go. You can see all the SEO-optimized tags that are perfect for boosting your video visibility. Scroll down a bit, and you'll even find tips on how to choose the right tags. Keep scrolling, and you'll spot a cool comparison between bad versus good hashtags. Super helpful stuff. Now let's explore some more tools. Go to the top and hover on the Tools menu. Let's check out the YouTube Video Tag Extractor. Just paste the video URL, complete the captcha, and hit the button. Oops, it's not working. Oh, that's my bad. Let me paste the video title instead. Or wait, let me just grab the correct video URL again. Okay, pasting it here. Hit captcha. Click the button and processing. There it is. You can now see all the tags that creator is using in their video. Amazing, right? You can even copy those tags, but make sure it matches your video's niche. Now let's try the hashtag generator. Hashtags are super important for ranking your video. Let me quickly fill in the details. Pause. Now hit the button and wait a sec. Processing. Boom. Here are your high-ranking hashtags. Scroll down, and you'll even see an analysis of top hashtags, plus a guide on how to generate the best ones. Alright, now let's explore the YouTube title generator. You can generate titles for shorts, long videos, whatever you need. Just write your video topic, select the video format and tone, hit the captcha.
TunePocket.com.
Click Generate, and you'll get a list of title suggestions right here. Want titles just for long videos? Uncheck the Shorts box, and it'll do that for you too. Also, don't forget, you can browse and select music by genre, mood, or instrument. Just click play to listen, and yep, you can even download it. So go ahead and explore this amazing tool. It can save you so much time and boost your growth like never before.
Subscribe for more.